Baylini had a long day. You can actually hear her snoring. She's taking in a little water.
Get her out. Come on. Christine. Poor baby.